Indian forces personnel in their unabated acts of state terrorism martyred 17 Kashmiris, including a young boy, in the last month of September in occupied Kashmir. According to the data issued by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, of those martyred, 14 Kashmiris were killed extrajudicially and in fake encounters. During the month, at least 196 civilians and the political activists were arrested, and most of them were booked under the Black Laws, the Public Safety Act, and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Today is the 23rd anniversary of an attack on the Legislative Assembly of occupied Kashmir, which many believe was a false flag operation by the Indian forces in the territory. On 1st October 2001, an explosive laden vehicle was rammed into the main gate of the building located in the Srinagar city, in which 38 people were killed and numerous injured. All-party Hurriyat Conference has expressed grave concern over the Indian troops' cordon and search operations, arrest and extrajudicial killings of the Kashmiri youth in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, stated that the Indian forces arrest and abduct the youth from the homes, streets, and the roads during these operations, detaining them under the Public Safety Act and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, often resulting in extrajudicial killings. In a stark reminder of the deteriorating situation in occupied Kashmir, New Delhi has deployed an unprecedented 400 companies of the Central Armed Police Force in the North Kashmir alone, ahead of the third and the final phase of the sham assembly election. Deputy Inspector General North Kashmir Range Maqsoodul Zaman revealed that the massive deployment, stating that the forces are in addition to the army and the border security force personnel already stationed in the territory. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has strongly condemned the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's actions, labeling him the biggest terrorist after Adolf Hitler. Mufti criticized Netanyahu's regime for turning Palestine and Lebanon into gas chambers, killing thousands.